There was a family in a small town. In that family, a man named Mohan lived with his wife Janaki and son Rohan. He wanted to make his son highly educated, so he got him admitted in a good school since childhood. Half of his salary was spent paying the expensive fees of his school. Rohan's parents gave up their desires and educated their son a lot. Rohan also got educated and went abroad to work. After some years, he married a foreign girl and started living there. Initially, he used to send 7,000 rupees every month for his parents. But since Rohan became the father of a child, he has banned to send any money. It had been 2 months today. His parents were facing a lot of trouble in running the household expenses because now Mohan had also retired. He was very ashamed to ask for financial help from his son. He used to think that children can ask their parents for help at any time. But how can parents spread their hands in front of their children? One day, Mohan was sitting quietly in his room. His wife Janaki came to the room and started asking, "Has Rohan sent money this month or not?" Mohan replied, "No." Janaki said annoyingly, "How careless has our boy become? The ration money is also due. The milkman is also asking for his money. Your pension money is spent only in repaying the loan taken for his education. How much trouble does it become for the small expenses of the house?" Mohan remained silent. Rohan's call came in a while. Then Janaki left the same and said, "Son, we need a little money. I was needed." Rohan said shamelessly, "Mother, why do you people depend on my earnings? Why didn't you think about your old age earlier? I also don't want to depend on my child in my old age by doing stupid like you, so I am saving myself from today itself. Now I have a son too. I also have to educate him, so don't expect any money from me now." Janaki quietly hung up the call and thought, "Yes, my dear son, we are foolish parents. If we had also thought of ourselves, then perhaps we would not have been so insulted today, and you also would not have remained so successful." Friends, after successful children start considering their parents as a burden. Why do they forget that behind this success are the sacrifices of the parents? So never forget your parents in the intoxication of success. Think, if every father starts thinking like Rohan, then what will be the future of this society? So friends, how did you like the story? Do tell by commenting. Thank you.